Life sciences represent a vast, dynamic field encompassing the study of all living things and the processes that sustain them. At its heart, life sciences seek to unravel the mysteries of life, from the molecular machinery within cells to the complex interactions that shape entire ecosystems. As a discipline, it is both foundational and forward-looking, fueling innovations in medicine, agriculture, biotechnology, and environmental stewardship. The journey through life sciences is a journey through the diversity, complexity, and interconnectedness of living systems. The scope of life sciences is remarkably broad. It includes the study of microorganisms, plants, animals, and humans, as well as the intricate processes that govern their growth, development, function, and evolution. The field is inherently interdisciplinary, drawing on chemistry, physics, mathematics, and computer science to answer fundamental questions about life. Biology, as the central pillar, provides the core principles, but the life sciences extend far beyond, integrating specialized domains such as genetics, biochemistry, physiology, ecology, neuroscience, and biotechnology. Each of these branches offers unique perspectives and tools for exploring the living world, yet all are united by a shared commitment to understanding the principles that underlie life itself. One of the defining characteristics of life sciences is its focus on both the unity and diversity of life. All living organisms share certain fundamental features. They are composed of cells, possess genetic material, metabolize energy, grow, respond to stimuli, and reproduce. Yet the ways in which these features are manifested are astonishingly diverse. From the single-celled bacteria that thrive in extreme environments to the complex multicellular organisms that inhabit every corner of the planet, life exhibits an endless variety of forms and strategies. Life sciences seek to explain both the commonalities and the differences, tracing the evolutionary pathways that have led to the proliferation of species and the adaptation to myriad ecological niches. The history of life sciences is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Early naturalists cataloged plants and animals, laying the groundwork for taxonomy and systematics. The invention of the microscope in the 17th century revealed the hidden world of cells and microorganisms, while advances in chemistry and physics provided new tools for probing the molecular basis of life. The 20th century witnessed a revolution in genetics, with the discovery of DNA as the hereditary material and the development of techniques for manipulating genes. Today, the life sciences are at the forefront of technological innovation, harnessing the power of genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and bioinformatics to explore life at unprecedented scales and resolutions. Modern life sciences are characterized by a remarkable convergence of disciplines and technologies. Molecular biology delves into the structure and function of the molecules that constitute living organisms, while cell biology explores the organization and dynamics of cells, the fundamental units of life. Genetics and genomics investigate the transmission and variation of hereditary information, providing insights into evolution, development, and disease. Biochemistry examines the chemical reactions that sustain life, from metabolism to signal transduction. Physiology studies the integrated function of tissues, organs, and systems, revealing how organisms maintain homeostasis and respond to their environments. Beyond the molecular and cellular levels, life sciences encompass the study of organisms in their ecological contexts. Ecology examines the interactions between organisms and their environments, exploring the flow of energy and matter through ecosystems, the dynamics of populations, and the impact of human activities on biodiversity and ecosystem health. Evolutionary biology traces the origins and diversification of life, seeking to understand the mechanisms that drive adaptation, speciation, and extinction. The study of behavior, development, and symbiosis further enriches our understanding of the living world, highlighting the complexity and interconnectedness of biological systems. The applications of life sciences are profound and far-reaching. In medicine, life sciences drive the discovery of new drugs, the development of diagnostic tools, and the design of therapies for a wide range of diseases. Advances in genomics and personalized medicine are transforming healthcare, enabling treatments tailored to the genetic makeup of individuals. In agriculture, life sciences underpin the development of crops and livestock with improved yields, resistance to pests and diseases, and tolerance to environmental stresses. Biotechnology harnesses the power of living systems to produce valuable products, from biofuels and pharmaceuticals to food additives and biodegradable materials. Recent decades have witnessed extraordinary advances that have reshaped the landscape of life sciences. The advent of high-throughput sequencing technologies has made it possible to decode entire genomes rapidly and affordably, opening new avenues for research in evolution, ecology, and medicine. Single-cell technologies now allow scientists to analyze gene expression, epigenetics, and proteomics at the level of individual cells, revealing previously hidden heterogeneity in development, disease, and cancer. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing drug discovery, enabling the identification of new therapeutic targets and the optimization of candidate drugs at unprecedented speeds. CRISPR-based gene editing has ushered in a new era of precision medicine, allowing for the correction of genetic defects and the treatment of previously intractable diseases. Model organisms play a central role in life sciences research. Species such as fruit flies, worms, yeast, and mice serve as powerful systems for investigating fundamental biological processes, from development and aging to behavior and disease. Insights gained from these models often translate to a broader understanding of biology, providing the foundation for advances in human health and agriculture. The use of organoids and organ-on-a-chip technologies has further expanded the toolkit of life scientists, enabling the study of organ function and drug responses in systems that closely mimic human physiology. The life sciences are not without challenges. The rapid pace of innovation brings ethical, regulatory, and societal questions to the forefront. The use of artificial intelligence and big data in research and healthcare raises concerns about privacy, data security, and the potential for bias. The manipulation of genomes, whether in crops, animals, or humans, prompts debates about the boundaries of scientific intervention and the responsibilities of researchers. Regulatory frameworks struggle to keep pace with technological advances, necessitating ongoing dialogue between scientists, policymakers, and the public. Sustainability is an increasingly important theme in life sciences. The health of the planet is intimately linked to the health of its inhabitants, and life sciences play a critical role in addressing global challenges such as climate change, food security, and the loss of biodiversity. Research into the resilience of ecosystems, the adaptation of crops to changing climates, and the development of sustainable biotechnologies is essential for ensuring a viable future for humanity and the natural world. Education and communication are vital components of the life sciences enterprise. As the field becomes more complex and specialized, there is a growing need to train the next generation of scientists, clinicians, and innovators. Interdisciplinary education, hands-on research experiences, and public engagement are essential for fostering a scientifically literate society and for ensuring that the benefits of life sciences are widely shared. Collaboration is a hallmark of contemporary life sciences. Partnerships between academic institutions, industry, government, and non-governmental organizations drive innovation and translate discoveries into real-world solutions. International cooperation is especially important in addressing global health threats, managing shared resources, and advancing the frontiers of knowledge. The COVID-19 pandemic underscored the importance of rapid, coordinated responses and the power of science to address urgent challenges. Looking ahead, the future of life sciences is both exciting and uncertain. Emerging fields such as synthetic biology, regenerative medicine, and systems biology promise to redefine our understanding of life and our ability to engineer biological systems. The integration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and nanotechnology will further accelerate discovery and application. Yet the complexity of living systems ensures that there will always be new questions to explore and new mysteries to unravel. In essence, life sciences are the science of life in all its dimensions. They invite us to explore the origins, mechanisms, and diversity of living things, to harness the power of biology for the betterment of society, and to reflect on our place in the web of life. Through observation, experimentation, and innovation, life sciences continue to illuminate the wonders of the natural world and to inspire solutions to the challenges of our time. As we stand on the threshold of new discoveries, the promise of life sciences is as boundless as life itself.